Tech giants Mark Zuckerberg and Daniel Ek warn that Europe risks falling behind in AI innovation. They argue that open-source AI could be Europe's key to success. Open-source AI models are publicly available, creating a level playing field. This approach drives progress and economic opportunity for all. Meta and Spotify are already using open-source AI to accelerate medical research and preserve languages. Europe has many open-source developers, but its complex regulations are holding back innovation. Clear rules are needed to guide businesses across the continent. Spotify's success is partly due to early AI investment. Open-source AI can help more artists get discovered. Europe's risk-averse regulations could prevent it from capitalizing on AI. The uneven application of GDPR is causing delays and uncertainty. Without urgent changes, Europe risks missing out on the next wave of technology investment. Europe needs a new approach with clearer policies and more consistent enforcement. Open-source AI can help level the playing field. Europe must act quickly to avoid falling further behind in AI innovation. Google AI Studio introduces Gemini API updates. Discover new production-ready Gemini models and reduced pricing for Gemini 1.5 Pro. Rate limits have been increased for better performance. Dive into the prompt gallery for inspiration. Experience audio diarization for transcribing audio with speaker details. Explore video Q&A for key details in videos. Convert images into recipes with the Recipe to JSON feature. Generate math worksheets for educational purposes. Participate in a scavenger hunt with curated concepts. Add unit tests for Python functions. Solve geometry problems with image inputs. Get trip recommendations from unorganized text. Identify time complexity and optimize functions. Create a web page with a possum search. Generate custom recipes from photos. Identify objects and their uses from images. Craft marketing copy for your products. List items from photos. Chart hurricanes from image snapshots. Create unique blog posts from images. Order coffee drinks with Barista Bot. Generate a confusion matrix for your classifier. Analyze the sentiment of text messages. Understand research paper methodologies. Guess the next shape in a series. Care for plants with expert advice. Write Docker scripts for environment setup. Extract brands and products from text. Get recipe ideas from ingredient photos. Brainstorm game character designs. Modify writing styles. Convert natural language to regex constructs. Introducing the Jamba 1.5 open model family from AI21, the most powerful and efficient long context models yet. These models, Jamba Mini and Jamba Large, are built on the SSM transformer architecture. They offer superior long context handling, speed, and quality. The Jamba models are the first non-transformer models to match the leading models in quality and strength. They are released under the Jamba Open Model License, promoting accessibility and experimentation. The Jamba models are designed for enterprise use, focusing on resource efficiency, quality, speed, and solving critical tasks. They have a 256K effective context window, the longest in the market, enhancing enterprise applications. The models are up to 25x faster on long contexts and are the fastest across all context lengths in their size class. Jamba Mini is the strongest open model in its size class, while Jamba 1.5 Large outpaces larger models. The models are multilingual, supporting 8 languages. They are developer-ready, supporting structured JSON output and other features. They are available for immediate download and deployment on various platforms and cloud partners. The models are built on a resource-efficient hybrid architecture, offering a lower memory footprint. They utilize a novel quantization technique, ExpertInt8, allowing them to fit on a single 8 GPU node. The Jamba models maintain their long context handling throughout their entire 256K context window. They are essential for enterprise-scale Gen AI applications, improving RAG and agentic workflows. Both models are faster than competitors, offering major cost, quality, and speed gains. Google DeepMind's AGI safety and alignment team shares recent work. They focus on existential AI risk, growing by 39% last year. The team, led by Anka Dragan, works on AGI alignment and frontier safety. They published the Frontier Safety Framework for Google's LM. They also evaluate dangerous capabilities in models like Gemini. Mechanistic interpretability is key, with new sparse autoencoder architectures. They explore causal incentives for safe AI design. The team collaborates with Google and external researchers. Up next, a new approach to technical AGI safety. Claude.ai has just announced the general availability of artifacts for all users. This new feature enhances creativity and collaboration. Users can now create and view artifacts on iOS and Android apps. Since its preview in June, tens of millions of artifacts have been made. Teams can leverage artifacts for various purposes, from code snippets to interactive dashboards. Developers can create architecture diagrams, product managers can prototype features, designers can visualize projects, marketers can track campaign performance, and sales teams can forecast sales pipelines. Free and pro users can publish and remix artifacts globally, while Team Plan users can collaborate securely within their projects. Join Claude and explore the possibilities.